This is chapter number 12, theorems on area. Now it's application number 14. 2 points D and E on sides AB and AC of triangular region ABC in such a way that angle DBC, triangle DBC equal to triangle EBC. Let's prove that DE parallel to BC. So therefore, we have to draw like in this manner. So it's A, B, C, DBC equal to EBC. We have to prove that. Now join D and E. So therefore, now prove triangle DBC equal to triangle EBC given both the triangles are equal in area and same base BC and on the same side therefore we can say that they are in the same parallels. They are in the same parallels. So therefore we can say DE parallel to BC. This is application number 15. Let's prove that if each diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped region divide into two triangular regions with equal area, then the quadrilateral shaped region is a parallelogram shaped region. So therefore, first of all, we have to draw the diagram. And joining those diagonals, so therefore A, B, C, D. First of all, we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, each diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped region divide into two triangular regions with equal area. So, AC diagonal divides in triangle, AC diagonal divides in triangle ABC and triangle ACD. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC equal to triangle ACD. Similarly, BD diagonal divides in BD triangle divides in ABD, triangle ABD, and triangle BCD. BCD. Now, therefore, we can say that triangle ABD equal to triangle BCD. Now you can see triangle ABC, this triangle, and triangle ACD both are, we know through the parallelogram theorem, if a diagonal exists in a parallelogram, so therefore this diagonal cuts into two equal halves. So therefore these two areas are equal, so therefore this should be half of the ABCD, and this is also be half of the ABCD. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC equal to triangle ACD equal to triangle ABD equal to triangle BCD. Now triangle ABC and triangle ABD, triangle ABC and triangle ABD both are equal. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD both equal in area, lying on same base AB and on the same side, so therefore we can say that AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. Similarly, we can also say that triangle ABC and triangle BDC, ABC and BCD, these two triangles. Similarly, triangle ABC and triangle BCD both equal in area, lying on same base BC. This is the triangle ABC and this is the triangle BCD, both lying on the same base BC and on same side. So therefore we can say that BC parallel to AD, BC parallel to AD. Therefore AB parallel to CD, BC parallel to AD. Opposite sides are parallel. This. So therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, now this is proved. Now all of you, what you will do in next, from tomorrow I will start the chapter number 12, and previously you have to do all the theorems and which applications I have done in these online classes. You have to copy that in your classwork copy with proper diagram and proper writing, appropriate writing method. So therefore, and first of all, let's discuss one more thing. This application 12 is very important, very important, and also application number 8, this is also very important. And all these theorems, since theorem number 23, where both parallels are on same base and same parallels, they are equal in area, both one triangle and one parallelogram both are on the same base and same parallels, Therefore the area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram, and when both the triangle are on the same base and same parallels, therefore the area of these two triangles are equal. These three, and the last one, I guess this one, triangular regions of equal area standing on the same base and being on the same side of it, they will be between the same parallels. This is also important, and I guess in our final exam, theorems on area, from theorems on area, one theorem will definitely in your exam paper. So therefore you have to practice more and more these four theorems. This is very important. And also these two applications, this one and this one, application 8 and 12, is very important.